What's up everyone, welcome back, and today in this video I would like to show you how can you solve your messenger chat head is not opening problem. So first you should open your Google Play Store, and after that you need to type messenger, and after type messenger then you need to check out your messenger is update or not. Make sure your messenger is update. So after that you need to open your messenger. Then you can open Anion inbox and go on the top right corner I button. Then tap on top right corner three dot option. Then you can see there have no option chat head. So what should you do? Just go to home page and then tap over your profile icon. Then scroll down. After that you can see a option chat head. There you can see chat head. So just enable it. Then go to home page. Now you need to open Anion inbox. Then tap on I button on the top right corner. Then tap on three dot. Then you can see there have open chat head. Just tap it. That's it. Now there you can see your messenger chat head already opened. So guys, in this way you can solve your messenger chat head is not opening problem. Thank you everyone for watching this video.